Hey there, friends and foes. This is Johnny, and this is Back at the Cereal Box. And on this episode, we are going to review from General Mills the Nature Valley Granola cereals. And we're going to do that right after this.
Saturday morning, it's fun for all. Cartoons and cereal, let's have a ball. Comic books, kaiju, pro wrestling too. The fun is waiting for you. Back at the cereal box.
All right, guys and gals, I'm super excited. General Mills has created a Nature Valley granola cereal. This is the apple cinnamon, and it's got wheat flakes, granola clusters, and real sliced apples. And this is one that you're going to love if you're a grown-up. It is sweet, but just enough to satisfy that sweet tooth. It tastes just like what it's supposed to taste like. In dry form, it tastes like the granola. But we're going to add it to the bowl, and we're going to add some milk. Only just a little bit. Just enough to get a taste. But I can tell you already, just from trying it dry, I love this already. Here we go. Oh my gosh. That is so good. The apple cinnamon, 6 out of 5. This is fantastic. Now, we're going to try one of my favorite, the almond. Put a little bit in the bowl. Let's try some of it dry. Yeah. I got a little bit too much on this one. But here we go. I love this. This has the wheat flakes, has the granola clusters, and it has real almond slices. I love almonds, and I love cereal with almonds. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my gosh. You guys, if the apple cinnamon was 6 out of 5, this is an 8 out of 5. This almond cluster, is that what it's called? Almond honey. Almond honey. Unbelievable good. I'm going to give this 8 out of 5. Mmm. 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 Now, because it's so crunchy and these flakes are so dense, you gotta chew these. And they're whole grain flakes. Granola, oh my gosh, this is so good. Got an 8 out of 5 and a 6 out of 5. These are unbelievably good. Go get some today. Go. These have my highest endorsement. General Mills, boom, you knocked it out of the park. Thank you so much. That's it. That's it for me for this week. If you like this, become a supporter at patreon.com/cerealboxpodcasts and get these videos early and get reviews of other stuff ahead of the curve. And you just support the show. And we will be back with full episodes in a real studio very soon. We're that close. That close. I know it's a little bit dark right now, but we're going to fix all that soon. But in the meantime, get yourself some Nature Valley cereal. You will not regret this. I promise you. That's it for me. I'm Johnny. I'm done. Until the next time, love you, mean it. We'll catch you on the back of the cereal box. Ta-da!